Hi, my name is Parikshit Khanna. I am from Saharanpur and I am working with Micros Digital as a digital marketing trainer.
Hi, my name is Anshul Chauhan. I live in Bulandshahr. Nowadays, I am working in Micros IT Solution as an academic counselor.
I have trained students from different backgrounds, from graduate to housewife, from entrepreneur to business owner. I have taught different students and I am able to help them achieve their goals. If you are an entrepreneur or if you are a student, I will help you to fetch a good job, or I will help you, or I will share the tools with you that will help your organization to grow in a digital domain.
I am give information to the student and help them build their career in digital marketing.
I'm working with this organization and I'm very happy while working with this organization because the organization is very friendly. They will give you different type of opportunities to grow with the company. You will get different, aside from your KRA, you will also get different type of work which will make your portfolio big. And organization will also support you if you get stuck anywhere within your work as well. You will receive guidance from the upper management as well.
I am happy with my organizations and there is a good HR ma'am. She is a very supportive. Given a chance to join Micros IT Solution, I would highly recommend you to join us. As my overall experience here is awesome.
About my feedback, thank you so much.